Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our next MCQ is, which one of the following glands is involved in the production of lymphocytes? Option A, pineal gland. Option B, pituitary gland. Option C, thymus gland. Option D, adrenal gland. Our correct answer is C, thymus gland. Our next MCQ is, antibodies or protein and made up of how many polypeptide chains? Option A, 1 polypeptide chain. Option B, 2 polypeptide chain. Option C, 3 polypeptide chain. Option D, 4 polypeptide chain. Our correct answer is D, 4 polypeptide chain. Our next MCQ is, oxidative phase of glycolysis starts with dehydrogenation of. Option A, glycolysis. Option B, ribulose bisphosphate. Option C, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Option D, NADH. Our correct answer is C, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Our next MCQ is, in one turn, the Krebs cycle produces 1 molecule of ATP, 1 molecule of FADH2 and following molecules of NADH. Option A, 1 molecule of NADH. Option B, 2 molecules of NADH. Option C, 3 molecules of NADH. Option D, 4 molecules of NADH. Our correct answer is C, 3 molecules of NADH. Our next MCQ is, which one of the following is the stage of cellular respiration for which oxygen is not essential? Option A, glycolysis. Option B, pyruvate oxidation. Option C, Krebs cycle. Option D, electron transport chain. Our correct answer is A, glycolysis. Our next MCQ is, the enzymes which act as a molecular scissors in recombinant DNA technology is. Option A, exonucleases. Option B, endonucleases. Option C, polymerases. Option D, reverse transcriptases. Our correct answer is B, endonucleases. Our next MCQ is, which of the following is the correct sequence of PCR? Option A, heating, then cooling, then add primer, then copying of strand. Option B, heating, then add primer, then cooling, then copying of strand. Option C, add primer, then heating, then cooling, then copying of strand. Option D, cooling, the add primer, then heating, then copying of strand. Our correct answer is A, heating, then cooling, then add primer, then copying of strand. Our next MCQ is, when two different pieces of DNA are joined together, the result is which one of the following? Option A, complementary DNA. Option B, mutated DNA. Option C, recombinant DNA. Option D, cloned DNA. Our correct answer is C, recombinant DNA. Our next MCQ is, individual successions are known as. Option A, primary successions. Option B, secondary successions. Option C, series. Option D, zeroses. Our correct answer is C, series. Our next MCQ is, which one of the following is the ultimate distributional unit within which a species is restrained by the limitation of its physical structure and physiology? Option A, niche. Option B, biome. Option C, ecosystem. Option D, habitat. Our correct answer is A, niche. Our next MCQ is, all herbivores belong to which trophic level in the food chain? Option A T1, option B T2, option C T3, option D T4. Our correct answer is B T2. Our next MCQ is sickle cell anemia is a type of option A insertion, option B transposition, option C deletion, option D base substitution. Our correct answer is D base substitution. Our next MCQ is how many food chains are present in following food web? Option A 5 food chains, option B 3 food chains, option C 6 food chains, option D 4 food chains. Our correct answer is D 4 food chain. Now understand how there are 4 food chains. First food chain starting from wood and ending at spider. The next food chain starting from bark and ending at fox. Third one food chain which is starting from leaves and ending at fox. Fourth one food chain which is also starting from leaves and ending at spider. So there are 4 food chains. Our next MCQ is the relationship in which one organism gets benefit and the other is not affected is called option A mutualism, option B commensalism, option C predation, option D parasitism. Our correct answer is B commensalism. Our next MCQ is when a gene expresses the effect of a gene at another locus, this is known as option A epistasis, option B codominance, option C complete dominance, option D mutation. Our correct answer is A epistasis. Our next MCQ is in male the sex determining gene is option A XY, option B S or Y, option C SYX, option D SXX. Our correct answer is B SRY. Our next MCQ is a gene which affects 2 or more unrelated characteristics is called option A pleiotropic, option B epistatic, option C dominant, option D mutant. Our correct answer is A pleiotropic. Our next MCQ is position of a gene within a DNA molecule is option A locus, option B origin, option C amplicon, option D filial. Our correct answer is A locus.